Hello and welcome to Learn English Easy and Fast. Are you looking for a fun and easy way to improve your English? Stories are one of the best ways to learn. When you read or listen to a story, you naturally pick up new words, phrases, and sentence structures without even realizing it. This story is designed for English beginners, using simple words and clear sentences to help you understand and enjoy the journey. It follows a young woman named Emma as she goes through her daily life, waking up, going to work, studying, and dreaming about the future. Whether you are a beginner or bay following Emma's routine, you will learn useful everyday vocabulary. Improve your listening and reading skills. Understand how English is used in real-life situations. Build confidence in speaking and writing. Whether you are a beginner or looking for an easy way to practice, this story will help you learn English naturally, just like how a child learns a language. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. A day in the life of Emma. Morning routine. Emma's alarm rings at 7 a.m. sharp. She groans and stretches her arms. Time to get up, she says to herself, but she feels tempted to stay in bed. After 2 minutes, she finally sits up and swings her legs over the bed. She shuffles to the kitchen. Coffee first, Emma mumbles. She makes a fresh cup of coffee, the smell filling the small apartment. She takes a sip and feels more awake. "Ah, much better," she says with a smile. Emma opens her fridge and takes out some eggs and bread. She prepares scrambled eggs with toast and butter. As she eats, she looks out the window. Birds fly past, and the sky is clear and blue. It's going to be a sunny day, she thinks. After breakfast, Emma heads to the bathroom. She takes a quick shower, enjoying the warm water. Then she brushes her teeth and puts on her favorite moisturizer. Emma chooses a simple outfit, a light blue dress and black shoes. She glances in the mirror, brushing her long brown hair. "Not bad," she says. At 8 a.m. Emma grabs her bag, keys, and phone. She locks her apartment door and walks to the bus stop. On the way, she sees her neighbor, Mrs. Thompson, watering her flowers. "Good morning, Mrs. Thompson," Emma calls out. "Good morning, Emma. Have a great day," Mrs. Thompson replies. Emma arrives at the bus stop just as the bus pulls up. She gets on, finds a window seat, and watches the world go by. At the bookstore. Emma arrives at the bookstore at 8:45 a.m. She unlocks the door and turns on the lights. The store smells of paper and wood, her favorite smell. She walks through the aisles, straightening books and arranging new arrivals on the front table. At 9 a.m., the bookstore opens. The first customer of the day is an elderly man with a kind smile. "Good morning. Do you have any books about gardening?" he asks. "Of course. Follow me," Emma says, leading him to the gardening section. Throughout the morning, Emma helps many customers. She recommends novels, finds children's books, and even helps a student find a history textbook. She enjoys talking to people and learning about their favorite books. At 12:30 p.m. Emma takes her lunch break. She walks to a small cafe across the street. Today, she orders a chicken sandwich, a side salad, and a bottle of orange juice. She finds a quiet corner near the window and pulls out a book from her bag. Emma loves reading during her lunch break. It's her escape from the busy world. The book she's reading is a mystery novel. Just as the detective is about to solve the case, Emma's phone buzzes. It's a message from her best friend, Lily. Lily, hey Emma. Want to hang out this weekend? Emma smiles and types back. Yes. Let's go to the park on Saturday. After lunch, Emma returns to the bookstore. The afternoon is much busier. A group of students comes in looking for study guides, and Emma helps them find the right books. A mother and her two young children browse the children's section. The kids are excited about a book with animal stories. At 4:30 p.m. Emma starts to feel a little tired. She takes a quick break, drinks some water, and stretches her legs. Just one more hour, she tells herself. At 5 p.m., the store closes. Emma cleans up, organizes the shelves, and locks the door. Evening classes. Emma takes the 5:30 p.m. bus to the community college. She arrives just in time for her 6 p.m. English class. Her teacher, Mr. Roberts, is friendly and encouraging. Today, we're going to practice conversation, Mr. Roberts announces. Find a partner and talk about your favorite hobbies. Emma pairs up with her classmate, Daniel. Hi, Daniel. What's your favorite hobby? Emma asks. I like playing the guitar, Daniel replies. How about you? I love reading, Emma says. I read every day. They continue talking about their hobbies, and Emma feels more confident as she speaks. Mr. Roberts walks around the room, giving feedback and helping students with new words. Later in the class, they practice writing. Mr. Roberts asks the students to write a short paragraph about their dream job. Emma writes, My dream job is to become a writer. I want to write novels and stories that people will enjoy. I love books, and I want to create my own stories one day. At the end of class, Mr. Roberts praises Emma's paragraph. You're doing very well, Emma. Keep up the good work. Emma feels happy and motivated. Night routine. Emma takes the bus home and arrives at her apartment at 8:30 p.m. She's tired but satisfied with her day. For dinner, Emma makes spaghetti with tomato sauce and garlic bread. Eats slowly, enjoying the quiet time. After dinner, she watches an episode of her favorite TV show, a comedy about friends living in the city. At 9:30 p.m. Emma starts her night routine. She washes the dishes, brushes her teeth, and changes into comfortable pajamas. She lights a lavender-scented candle, which helps her relax. Before going to bed, Emma writes in her journal. She writes about her day, her progress in English class, and her dreams for the future. At 10 p.m. Emma turns off the lights. As she lies in bed, she thinks about her goals. I'm working hard every day. One step at a time, she whispers to herself. Emma falls asleep with a smile, ready for whatever tomorrow brings.
Important vocabulary. Alarm. A device that wakes you up. Stretch. To extend your body to feel relaxed. Toast. Bread cooked until it's brown and crispy. Yawn. To open your mouth wide when you're sleepy. Bus stop. A place where the bus picks up passengers. Bookstore. A store where books are sold. Customer. A person who buys something. Cash register. A machine for holding money and printing receipts. Community college. A school for adults to learn new skills or subjects. Hobby. Something you enjoy doing in your free time. Paragraph. A group of sentences about one idea. Journal. A notebook where you write your thoughts and experiences. Spaghetti. A long, thin type of pasta. Motivated. Feeling excited to do something. Lavender. A plant with a pleasant smell, often used for relaxation. Morning routine vocabulary. Alarm clock. A device that makes a sound to wake you up. Groan. A low sound people make when tired or annoyed. Shower. A place where you stand and wash your body with water. Moisturizer. A cream used to keep skin soft. Outfit. The clothes you wear for the day. Mirror. A reflective surface where you can see yourself. Neighbor. A person who lives near you. Window seat. A seat next to a window. City. A large town with many buildings, shops, and people. Traffic. Cars, buses, and other vehicles on the road. Work at the bookstore vocabulary. Aisle. A path between shelves in a store. Shelf, plural, shelves. A flat board where books or other things are placed. Novel. A long story written in a book. Biography. A book about someone's life. Cashier. A person who takes money at a store. Price tag. A small paper that shows how much something costs. Receipt. A small paper that shows what you bought and the price. Queue. A line of people waiting for something. Busy. Having a lot of work or activity. Break. A short time to rest during work or school. Lunch and free time vocabulary. Cafe. A small restaurant that serves drinks and light meals. Sandwich. A food made with 2 pieces of bread and something in between. Juice. A drink made from fruit. Corner. The place where two walls or roads meet. Escape. To get away from something, like stress or a busy life. Message. A written note sent on a phone or computer. Plan. An idea about what to do in the future. Park. A green outdoor place where people relax and play. Weekend. Saturday and Sunday, usually days off from work or school. Reply. To answer a message or question. Evening class vocabulary. Community college. A school where adults take classes to learn new skills. Professor. A teacher at a college or university. Conversation. A talk between two or more people. Pair up. To form a group of two people. Confidence. A feeling that you can do something well. Paragraph. A group of sentences about one topic. Dream job. The job you really want in life. Encourage. To give someone support or motivation. Improve. To get better at something. Feedback. Advice or comments about your work. Night routine vocabulary. Dinner. The last big meal of the day. Garlic bread. A type of bread with butter and garlic. Comedy. A type of show or movie that makes people laugh. Episode. One part of a TV series. Routine. Things you do regularly, like brushing your teeth before bed. Dishes. Plates, cups, and bowls used for eating. Pajamas. Clothes worn for sleeping. Candle. A stick of wax that burns to give light or a nice smell. Relax. To rest and feel calm. Whisper. To speak in a very soft voice.